Hello, welcome to the video. So today I'm doing a live stream, a premiere. By the way, this video is already recorded. This is actually not live. So I got my stuff ready. Okay, hold on guys, I'm coming back.
Why are you leaving him?
So we are almost finished. Okay. So when I'm done with all of the video, I can actually edit them to CapCut and make a series of it. So I can take all of the videos and edit them in CapCut to make a series. So that's gonna be it for today. Bye. Peace.